Hey y'all, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today is about curls clip-ins. Y'all, these clip-ins are so old. Here's the video right here that I did them a while back. Click the link so you can go watch that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video how I refreshed my clip-ins. Okay you guys, so these clip-ins are really old. I'm not sure how old they are, but the last time I took them out my head, I just threw them in this bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these really quick. Okay y'all, so this is just water right here, and I put some conditioner in it to get that. And here are my clip-ins. I'm gonna just do one at a time. Doing like this first to kind of loosen up the curls and tangles before I just go in combing and ripping the hair out. See, that process was a lot easier, and that way you can make your clip-ins last longer versus trying to detangle this. Like, that's just not gonna work. Get it wet first and then just comb through it. And that's it. Just like brand new. You see, they look super soft. They are super soft. Just minimal shedding. And then I just lay them out on my floor. You know, it's fine. My floor is clean. They're going in my head. Don't worry about that, sis. If I don't get on Amazon and order some more of this, oh my God. This is ridiculous. Alright, so here are my clip-ins. They're somewhat dry. The roots are still kind of damp, but it'll dry throughout the day. Yeah. Okay, that'll do. Now we're just gonna place our clip-ins. So for my front ones, I'm going to like kind of curve it up so you won't be able to see the track, even though I'm gonna wear a scarf. So kind of curve it up. So I'm gonna flat iron these really quick before I add in my second half. So y'all, I'm getting ready because I have a consultation today to see about getting a chemical peel on my face. Cause baby, the turmeric and potato peel, I don't have time for that. I've tried it. It's just too much of a mess. So I done jumped on the bandwagon. So that's why I'm pushing my hair back. I don't want any hair in my face or anything today. Not too flat, but it's good enough. And they're still kind of wet, so. And with CurlsCurls clip-ins, they come as one bundle is enough for a full head. So you only have to purchase one bundle to get a full head of hair. See, this real easy. Just take it all the way up. All right, so I have this big square scarf. I'm not sure what hair company sent it to me. This is so dope. Clip-ins looking fresh, very healthy. No leave out, sis. None. Ah, no, I didn't. Okay, that's another really cute way I tied my scarf. Since it was coming loose, I did them separate. But all right, you guys, so I just left my chemical peel look. I still have like a little bit of Vaseline around my eyes, but I got it done. Make sure you click the link down below so you can check out my journey of getting my chemical peel. The lady was so sweet. She even let me record in the room. Like, so dope. Okay, y'all, so did get a chemical peel done. I'm on day 4. That's why my face look like this. I'll leave the video link down below so you can go check that out. But I'm ready to use these clip-ins one more time. So show you guys one more style. I'm not gonna really talk in this video because it looks disgusting, but it's just peeling. So let me go ahead and put the clip-ins in the back, and then I'll start on my top. Okay, now the only thing I need to do is like hide this track. So I'm gonna just take one and I'm gonna just push this way, then one more this way. I'm gonna flip this over. Boom. Just like that. Okay, here's the completed look. If only my face wasn't peeling. But yeah, this is cute, simple.